Get across, communicate or make understandable. She got her ideas across. Get ahead, progress or advance. He got ahead in his career. Get along, have a good relationship. They get along well. Get around, move around or avoid. We can get around the city. Get at, attack or criticize. Don't get at me. Get away, escape. They got away from the storm. Get back, return. We need to get back. Get back at, revenge or take action. He got back at him. Get by, survive or manage. I didn't study much, but I will get by. Get down, feel depressed. She is feeling down. Get down to, work hard. Let's get down to work. Get in, enter or arrive. He will get in at 6. Get into, become involved in something. She got into the party. Get off, leave or disembark. I need to get off here. Get out of, avoid something. She tried to get out of it. Get over, recover from something. It took time to get over. Get together, meet or gather with people. We got together with friends. Get to know, to spend time with someone or something to learn more about them. I spent my evenings walking around, getting to know the area. Get back to speak or write to someone again later. Let's get back to the topic we were discussing yesterday. Get out of the way, move aside or step away to avoid blocking. The car is coming, get out of the way. Get through on, finish something successfully. Let's get with the program. Get up for, to wake up and get out of bed. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. Get to grips with, try to understand and deal with a problem or situation. The government needs to get to grips with the unemployment problem. Get across from, to be understood or communicated. The teacher used pictures to get the lesson across. Get through to, connect with someone. It took a while, but I finally got through to her about the problem. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.